Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by selecting a high-resolution image for the poster project. Aim for 300 dpi and at least 36 inches wide to keep sharp detail. Open the image editor and crop to the composition you want. Save the final file as PNG or JPEG to preserve quality. Choose your paper size next, either letter or A4 depending on your printer. Set the overlap to 0. 5 inches so tiles align cleanly during assembly. Upload your saved image to the block poster interface to begin configuration. Enter a scale value, such as 200%, or type an exact width in inches. Choose the paper size again, either letter or A4, to match your printer. Set the overlap precisely to 0. 5 inches for consistent registration across tiles. Use the preview function to check the tile grid and confirm the total number of pages. Generate the PDF only after you verify margins and orientation settings. Send the generated PDF to your printer and set scaling to 100% for accuracy. Use letter or A4 paper and disable any fit-to-page options in the print dialog. Lay out printed sheets on a flat surface and trim 0. 5 inches from the indicated edge where overlap is shown. Align tiles carefully using the 0. 5-inch overlap to match image details. Join sheets with clear tape or glue and mount the finished poster on a backing board for display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.